So we'll take a little look underneath. I'm fortunate enough to have this lift here, and it's a fantastic lift. Maybe y'all would like to look into them. They're really good. Advantage lifts. This is the 9,000 pound, and it's also the XLT, so it's longer and wider for bigger vehicles. I put big dualies on this before, and it does a fantastic job. But anyway, that's not what it's about. Just figured we'd look underneath this Camaro. Once again, about 46,000 miles, and it's 2001 model. As you can see, everything looks really good. It was, previous owner lived up north. You could tell they did a good job. I mean, you can't, stuff like, surface rust, it's hard to get, just like with right around this area and all that with the sway bar, and the knuckles you can see up in there. But overall, it's in good shape. Everything looks clean up top there. You see the vent tube for the alternator there, right up in there. So the frame, everything looks really good. The mount for the 6-speed looks good. I still haven't, on my SS, I haven't installed the reverse, not reverse, but the shift lockout. That's a pain, the skip shift. I need to do that. On this one, I believe it's done when they're an SS Camaro. It's done for that. If someone wants to put in the comments and state different, if they know something different. But this has what's called the drone exhaust on it. You can see how it is there as it goes. I'm going around these slide jacks. They're not easy to move when it's this high. They're easy when you're eye level with them. But this is an actual sliding jack from Advantage Lifts. So you can see rear end looks good. I did buy it from a dealership that purchased it from the original owner as a trade-in, and so you're always a little suspect, like what's going on. They did some black overspray here. You can see it on the shock here. That didn't bother me because I can tell there's no major rust, and that's really the big deal. Looking up into the brakes here, I am going to probably put solid control arms here. I've done that on several other Camaros I own, and some new bushings, things like that. But I like the sound of this exhaust. I like the look of those tips coming out. I really like that, and it's definitely in good shape. So that's it.